Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Start by opening Settings. Following that, scroll down, choose Sounds and Vibration, so CRMS click, scroll down again and tap on Ringtone. Then select Vibration section over here and tap on one of those vibration patterns to set up one for your incoming calls. You can also disable vibration pattern by choosing No Vibrations or choose Synchronize with Ringtone over here. When you're ready, go back and click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for incoming calls. You can also tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then choose Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls and notifications once by swiping left or right. Following that, click on Haptics and Tones. Over here, you can click on the switcher next to System Haptics to switch them on or off, and if you wish to switch them on, you can also adjust intensity of them and select how they feel. I will go with Crisp. When you're ready, go back and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!